Hello. Welcome to the ELD Devices, your ultimate channel for trucking insights. I'm Bobby ELD, and today we're focusing on top ways truckers can save money. Let's jump into it. Tip 1. Fuel efficiency. Save on your biggest expense, fuel. Did you know trucks accounted for 81% of the U.S. freight costs in 2019? Invest in a fuel card like Motive Card for discounts and use apps like Gas Buddy. Every gallon of diesel includes a 24.5-cent federal fuel tax, so efficient driving matters. Tip 2. Maintenance and upkeep. With 92% of fleets operating 6 or fewer trucks, regular maintenance is key. Learning basic repairs can save big bucks. Embrace the power of DIY in an industry where small carriers dominate. Tip 3. Embrace technology. Technology is revolutionizing trucking. Use GPS for the best routes and apps for tracking expenses. A good vehicle tracker ensures proactive maintenance, crucial in times of equipment shortages. Tip 4. Food and lodging. Pack your meals and join hotel loyalty programs. With a shift towards e-commerce, the demand for cargo transport is evolving, making every saving on the road crucial. Tip 5. Smart financial management. With driver wages and benefits accounting for 42% of trucking costs, setting a budget is vital. Track every expense, as many are tax deductible. Tip 6. Insurance and benefits. Insurance premiums for trucking companies are soaring, reaching up to $14,000. Compare plans for the best deals and make the most of company benefits. Tip 7. Community power. In an industry where most carriers are small, community strength is invaluable. Engage in trucking forums and groups for shared tips and possible group discounts. Final tip: stay informed. The trucking sector is expected to grow by 6% from 2020 to 2030. Keep up with industry news for new saving opportunities. The road ahead is always changing. Implement these tips for a more budget-friendly journey. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trucking tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and those wallets full.